Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the third module, Arabic Everyday Words. To continue our Arabic learning journey, we have to come. The first one is learn greetings and polite words. Second, meet the Arabic family words. Third, connect Arabic to English and Urdu. And fourth, play with flashcards, role play, and chants. So let's get started. Whenever you meet someone and you want to greet him, then you say, Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. And in return, you say, Wa'alaikum assalam. That means peace be upon you too. So practice with me. Say, Assalamu alaikum. And reply with, Wa'alaikum assalam. Now, you want to say hello in Arabic, you say marhaban. Practice with a big smile with me. Say marhaban or just say marhaba. Both are fine. Now, let's learn some polite words. Whenever you are thankful to someone, then you say shukran, which means thank you. Let's say you receive a gift from your friend or family and you want to say thank you to them. So say shukran, thank you. In Urdu, you say shukriya. Next, when you agree to someone and you want to say yes, then say na'am. In Arabic, you say na'am. In Urdu, you say ji haan. Next, if you want to say no, in Arabic, you say la. La. La means no. In Urdu, you say nahi. Now let's learn family words. How do you call your father in Arabic? You say abun or just say ab. By default, each noun has a tanween on top of it. So either you pronounce it, you can say abun, or without tanween is also fine. You can say ab when you are just taking a pause after that word. So say with me, abun. Abun means father. In Urdu, you say walid. Next, ummun. Ummun means mother. Mother, in Urdu, you say walida. For brother, in Arabic, you say akhun. Akhun. In Urdu, you say bhai. For sister, in Arabic, you say ukhtun. Ukhtun. In Urdu, you say bahan. Now let's try to trace these words which we have learned today. So first is ummun. Get your magic pencil and try to trace it out. First, draw alif, then put a hamza on top of it because it has dhamma, ummun. Then trace meme, draw a small circle, and take a left turn and a curve towards below. Okay, it's done. Similarly, for father, abun, let's trace alif first, then draw hamza. Now ba, like a boat. Draw a boat, okay, and give a dot like a small fish at the bottom of this boat. So you're done. Next, let's trace other two words that we have, which is ukhtun and akhun. So let's draw ukhtun first. Draw alif, then kha, and then ta. Okay, for kha on the top, you give one dot, and for ta, you give two dots. Ukhtun. Ukhtun means sister. Now for akhun, draw alif, then kha. This is the full form of kha, a crescent moon, and give a dot on top of it. It becomes akhun. Ukhtun, sister. Akhun, brother. You must have noticed that all these 4 words start with alif, which you are familiar with. So keep practicing, keep pressing, and keep learning. So very well. Now we have family words with us. So try to sing with me. Abun, father. Ummun, mother. Akhun, brother. Ukhtun, sister. So you can keep practicing and memorize these words. Let's say you want to introduce your mother to someone and you point a finger towards her and say, Hadihi ummi. This is my Hadihi ummi. This is my mother. In Urdu you say, Ye meri waldah hai. Now match the magic words with the correct picture. You have to find out which picture is of father and which picture is of mother. Okay? So try it out and write it down in your notebook. Great job. You have learned Arabic everyday words successfully that are Assalamu alaikum, wa'alaikum assalam, and Shukran. Similarly, you have also learned some family words for father, mother, brother, and sister. Thank you and keep in touch.